Hey guys, welcome to the recipe room at Gift Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make noodles with fried eggs. So, I'm going to be using two noodles, onions, some curry powder, and cubes. So, I'll actually be using two onions. So, I'm going to start now. I'll also be using some powdered pepper. So I'll start by chopping the onions. I'm going to be using the onions for both the indomie and the fried eggs. Now in a pot I have some boiling water. I'm going to be throwing the noodles inside. I like my noodles crunched as I break it like this. So you're going to let this boil for about 2 minutes. So while the noodles is boiling, I'm going to be cracking some eggs in this bowl. I'm making the fried eggs now. So I'll be using a fork to mix this. Now I'll add a pinch of salt and mix it. I'll be adding some chicken cubes now. Now I'll be adding some curry powder. Now I'll add some pepper powder. Now mix it now. I like my own fried egg spicy, that's why I added this much. Now let's go check on our noodles. So I'll start adding the seasoning. And I'm gonna mix this one. So I'll add the curry powder now. And it's only a little bit. I'll mix it. And I'm also going to add some onion. Like this. So now I'll put it back on the stove on a very low heat. So in a frying pan, I'm going to be adding some oil. So I'm just going to spread it on like that. Now I'm going to add the onions. Just going to saute this for about a few minutes. Now at this point I'm going to be adding the ring pepper inside just to give it a spicy flavor. Just like that. I'm going to just mix it. Now I'll be adding the eggs. now I think it's time to check out noodles. So here we have it. It's done. So guys, here we have it. I folded it up like this. So I'm just gonna put it in a plate, just like this, and it's done. So our noodles and fried egg is done. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below what you think of this recipe. Bye.